very important series, because these questions may be asked to you in exam either for half mark, 1 mark or 2 marks. Remember, now CAIIB is not limited to 1 marks only. They have given it clearly. It can be half, 1 or 2, any marks, okay? Or even 5 marks, case studies, okay? So, follow this series completely. So the topic is exchange rates and forex business, chapter 1, right? This is the part 1 of this series. Tomorrow we'll be covering the same topic in part 2, because all the important questions need to be covered, okay? Let's start. State true or false. Now this is true or false, but it gives you immense knowledge over here. Let's see. The forex markets are dynamic and round the clock markets. Is it true or false? Means forex markets are round the clock, or do they get closed somewhere? Are they closing somewhere? Forex markets? Have you seen that now it's gone, complete end. Today no forex market, so it is ended. Is it like that? Anything? No, it is simple, true, correct? So this is true. Move on. Forex markets are not affected by government policies. Is it true or false? If tomorrow government does something, like government means it will do it through RBI, okay? If it increases the rate of interest, then forex market will be affected, because forex is always affected. The rate of forex in short term is always affected by the interest rates by the central banks, RBI, okay? Interest rates are the most important factors which affect the rate of the forex, means rupee as well as dollar or other currencies. So it is true, right? What do you say? Suppose if tomorrow RBI increases the interest rates, what will happen? See here, it's like this. Let me explain you. Suppose if RBI tomorrow increases the interest rates, then what happens? All the dollars from other countries, let's say this is India, okay, this is India. So here RBI has increased the interest rates. So all the dollars from various countries, all the investors here, earlier if the rate of interest was, let's say, 4%, now RBI has increased it to 5%, let's say 5%, okay? From 4 it has gone to 5%. Now what do you think? We as a common person think that, see, how do we common persons think? We think that, okay, only 1% rate of rise, okay? How does a businessman think or investor thinks? He or she thinks 4 to 5 means 1%. So 1% rise on what? Earlier it was 4%. So the rise is actually 25%. The person will be gaining 25% more in this because of this 1% rise. Because 1% rise on the earlier 4% base. So 1% upon 4% base. Okay. So it's actually 25% rise. So businessman thinks in this way. Investor thinks in this way. So what happens? If RBI increases the rate from 4 to 5, all the investors throughout the world will now pour in dollars over here. Everyone will bring dollars. Why? Because they are getting 25% higher returns, right? So they'll immediately pour in on dollars. So what will happen over here? The supply of dollars will increase. Huge number of dollars will come in India, right? So supply of dollars will increase. So if supply increases, the demand will go down. And if the demand goes down and supply increases, the rate of the forex market or rate of the dollar will be adversely affected. So that's what. Forex markets are affected by government policies, right? So not affected, oh sorry, it is true. So the answer is, correct answer is false over here, okay? It's not true. So forex markets are not affected by government policies, it's false. They are affected by government policies. A large part of total globe forex results from global commodity trade. Now many of us feel that it is right. Commodity means what? Commodity includes oil, then this agri commodities, then gold. Gold is also a commodity. So many of us feel that large part of the global forex turnover results from global commodities trade. But that is false, okay? It never results from the global commodities trade. It results from the investors trade, stock markets or interest rates. These are the major factors of which affect the global commodity, this forex turnover, okay? Now fill in the blanks. The term foreign exchange is used to denote a dash as well as the dash of one foreign currency into another. So what is this called as? The term foreign exchange is used to denote the dash as well as the dash. So who can tell me now? Yeah. So what is this? Let's see. Is used to denote what? Let me see how many of you can answer. Very simple term. Okay. So how many of you can answer? Let's see. What? Is it? The term foreign exchange is used to denote dash as well as, yeah. Who's giving me the answer? Yeah. Let me see. How many of you are trying now? Is used to denote? It is foreign currency, right? Denote foreign currency. It is used to denote the foreign currency, means dollar. Okay. Or the second part is as well as the exchange of one currency. So exchange of dollar to another, to rupee. So exchange of one currency to another. Exchange of one currency into another, right? So this is the basic answer. The exchange rates of major currencies fluctuate every dash second. So that is actually the answer given in your books is 4 seconds actually. But it's not only 4 seconds. Now it has moved to microseconds. Okay. Looking means it depends on the fastness of your server. But if it comes in the exam, you have to write it 4 seconds. Okay. Now before going ahead, download Adda 24/7 app on your mobile. In this app you will be getting the premium study material plus live classes, ebooks, tests, everything. Okay. Plus other thing is important. Now the exams are just on the way. How many days? For CAIIB it's hardly 1 month and 10-15 days, not more than that, right? So download it ASAP. You'll get all the premium study material and live classes importantly over here. Okay. Main factors affecting exchange rates are technical, dash and speculation. Now what is this? Technical, dash and speculation. What is this dash? Dash means over here. Let me give you some hint over here. Okay. Hint over here. Growth rate of a country. Growth rate. What is this type of growth of country? Means like India is growing heavily now. It's growing hugely as compared to the world. So this is what type of factor? It is a technical, and there are two analysis always. In any stock market, any market, there are two analysis. One is technical and second is fundamental. Okay? Fundamental. So these are the three reasons which affect the stock market mainly. Technical, fundamental and speculation. Speculation is also an important factor. Speculation means what? It is done by the middlemen, middle persons. Means it includes the banks, the fund managers, everyone. Okay. What do they feel about the dollar happening in future? Okay. In spot contract, settlement of funds takes place on the dash working day following the day of contract. Now spot. Look at this spot. Now first, before going to spot, tell me the other contracts. One is cash. That is cash ready, we call it, right? Cash ready, anything we call it. So both mean one and the same thing. So settlement takes place on year 0 days. First day, same day commodity given, same day money received. Okay. Second is what? Tom. What is Tom? Tom is next working day. Okay. Remember, next working day. Next. Remember, next means tomorrow. Okay. Working day. If tomorrow is holiday, then it comes to the next working day, right? On Monday. So spot. Spot means what? Next to next. Remember this. Second, I'll write it. Second working day. Second working. Okay. So it is also called as next to next. Next to next. Okay. This is also called as that. Next to next. Okay. So what is spot? Spot is second working day. The answer is second. Okay, got it? Easy? Clear? Are you getting this up till now? Type yes in the comment section if you are getting it easily. Type yes in the comment section, everyone. Okay? If the currency is costlier in forward, it is said to be. If it's costlier in forward, means then it will be said to be what? If the currency is costlier means, suppose let's say, take this example, okay? Means, for example, if I say today the dollar is, let's say, 80 rupees, okay? 80 rupees today. But let's say after 1 month, the dollar rate is expected to go to 83 rupees. So in that case, what is this called as? Dollar will be what? Dollar will be in premium or it will be in discount. So in that case, dollar will be in share. Now I have to pay 80 rupees to buy $1, right? This means that to buy $1, I am paying 80 rupees. So after 1 month, what will I have to do? I'll have to pay 83 rupees. So what has become? Dollar has become costlier. It means it has gone into premium. So that is known as premium over here. It is said to be in premium. Okay. Second one. If the forward value of the currency is cheaper, it is said to be at, now it's a simple one. Once you know this part, this is so easy. It is at discount. Okay. Discount. There is also one more word. Costlier, then it is also said as dearer. Okay, dearer. This is also word used in many a times in the exam. Dearer. Dearer means in the premium. Okay, getting this, everyone? Dearer means at premium. Now before going ahead, subscribe to Officers Adda 24/7 YouTube channel. In this channel, you will be getting very important, the free YouTube series. Now what is free YouTube series? Right now what are you watching? Right now, just check this channel in which you are watching. You are watching this on YouTube, right? Check the channel's name. It is Officers Adda 24/7 YouTube channel. So subscribe to this channel immediately. Click on the bell icon so that you get all the latest videos related to your exams. Okay, these are strictly related to your exams. So focus on this. Okay, subscribe to it immediately. Click on the bell icon. Also latest updates, all of them, you get it directly over here. Latest updates. IIBF declared something within next 1 hour, it comes in on this YouTube video. Okay, so that's why subscribe to it, click on the bell icon. The date of settlement of funds is known as what? What is the settlement of dates? Settlement means whenever I'll give the money back. Okay, so that is known as what? Settlement means, I'll give you one more simple example. Suppose I am saying Tom. In Tom, what happens? Tom means I give the shares today. Here, shares are given today. And when will I get the money for these shares? Here, I have sold the commodity. When will I get the money for this? Money I'll get it tomorrow. So this tomorrow is called as what? Whenever I'll get the money. This is known as value date. Everyone remember, it's called as a value date. The date of settlement of funds is called as a value. Why? Because I am getting the value on this date. Value means what? Money. Value means money. I am getting the value on this date. So that's why it's called as value date. The rate at which the quoting party is ready to buy the currency is called as, means quoting party. What do you mean by quoting party? It means, let's say, if I have to sell the dollar, let's say me, okay, I have to sell the dollar. I have, let's say, $1,000. Okay, I have to sell this dollar. So what will happen? I'll go in the open market and announce it. Yes, I have to sell this $1,000. Same thing happens in forex market also. Only the announcement is not done on that speaker phone. Okay, it's not on done on that speaker. It's done online, but logic is same. So I'll announce I have to sell $1,000 and this is my bid price, let's say 80 rupees. I have kept this bid price of 80 rupees right now. This is my base price, I'll call it base. So what will happen? One person will come to me, okay, 80 एक भाव, 80 दो भाव, 80 तीन. Somebody will say 80.5. Again, this is person number one. Second one will say 81. So now what is happening? Somebody is bidding over here. So this is known as what? This will be known as bid rate then. We see that in that movies, right? That hero earlier Mithun movies. Mithun, do you know this Mithun now? This new generation doesn't know Mithun at all, right? So in those earlier movies, that heroes, Koti, Haveli, Neelam, right? 80 crore ek, 80 crore do. Somebody says 90 crore. All that. That is basically bid. Same logic over here. Okay. So the rate at which the quoting party is ready to buy the currency is called as bid rate, isn't it? And what is the other one? The rate at which I am ready to offer, I am ready to give. That is known as what? Offer rate, isn't it? Bid offer, everything is the same. Okay. Now let me come to this batch. Okay. Selection batch. Very important batch. All the 4 subjects are covered: ABM, BFM, ABFM, BRBL. All the important numericals, case studies, question banks, everything is covered over here. Case studies are very important in BFM. You are getting huge discounts. Also, you follow the Mahapack. Mahapack means what? 15 plus batches per subject. Not a joke. 15 plus batches. Even if you attend a single batch, even if you are able to attend not 15, you are able to attend, let's say, 8 batches. Then also, what is happening? You are getting 8 times revision per subject. So 8 times revision is a very good deal. You will immediately remember this thing. No need to learn anything, isn't it? So that's why I would say go for this immediately. Okay. Okay. How to use this code Y432? Let me show you. Let's go to Adda 24/7. See here, this Y432 will give you huge discounts. Huge means so huge, I'll tell you now. Let's see. Okay, let me show you this. Let's go to Adda 24/7. Okay. Now on Adda 24/7, click over here, go to JIB, CIB. If you are having the app, go through the app, I would suggest. Okay. I would suggest you download the app. Click on CIB 23 now. CIB 23. Okay. Click. You'll see the details over here. See the batches. All these batches. Okay. So new selection batch, English one. Click on this English batch. Okay. You'll see, once you see this English batch, see the details are there. What are the dates, what are the timings, what are the study plans. Importantly, I'll tell you, recorded 24/7 videos are available. So if you miss out on any class, you can definitely get back using the recorded sessions. Okay. Similarly, 2 interactive classes. You can ask the questions there and then itself. Okay. Yeah. So now coming back, let's look at the fees part. Click on more offers. 599 is the fees, but click on more offers. Put the code Y432. Y432. Click on apply. Look at this, 77% off. Earlier it was 5999. Now it is 5519. Such a huge discount you are getting. Go for it. Okay. Go for this batch immediately. Also, you can go for Mahapacks. In Mahapacks, you are getting 15 plus batches. Okay. Let me show you Mahapack also. Okay. So this, go to Adda 24/7 again. Click on JIB and CIB. JIB, CIB, Mahapack. Click on this. Okay. You'll see this CIB ka Mahapack. Click on this CIB ka Mahapack. You'll get the details over here. Okay. So CIB, all these details, 15 plus batches per subject. Then 15 plus full length mock tests are available. Look at the fees, 8749. Of course, recorded videos are available. Click on more offers. Put the code Y432. 432. Click on apply. Look at this. Again 77% off. 8049 is a huge discount offer. Huge. 3499 reduces to 8049. That's why I said remember this code Y432. This will give you the maximum discounts available. Okay. Okay. Chalo. Bye from my side. Tomorrow I'll be back with another series. Till then, keep studying. Okay. And do join the batches because exams are nearing. Portion is new. Okay.